So, hello guys. Just came home, right in front of the desk. First things first, not even undressed yet with my jacket here, but I got my coffee. I'm not trading without the coffee. Gotta get a feel for the market first though, yeah. I mean, on my way home, I was traveling with public transport, so I was constantly on my way home, checking on TradingView, the movement of the day, watching a little bit Benzinga. Yeah, but yeah. With that being said, I still forgot something. Be right back. So, and here we're back. Honestly, I didn't really expect the market to trend up like this. If I'm honest, I kind of expected range bound market till FOMC, but yeah, I was wrong. So maybe good thing I wasn't at the desk. Might have lost some money, but obviously, you never know. Still looks right now like we're going higher here. I'm still a little bit hands off for like 10 minutes or so. Like I need to get a good feel for the market first. And for order flow of the day. Without this, yeah. Let's see what we do here. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we want to do. I mean, it does look like the buyers want to take it higher. What I saw though, the only thing that kind of scares me, I've not been at the desk at this point, is actually yeah, this looks like we're breaking, but yeah, don't know. I'm just not jumping here any trades soon or right away because, like I just said, I just came home and I don't have a feel right now for the volatility in the market. Yesterday was so volatile. So obviously, I need to switch off the sim here to my actual account here. Why is this here still on sim? Gotta switch to the PA account. Okay, so now we're on the right account here. Oh, we do see this break here. It does look like it wants to go higher. Now let's see if we can hold above 30.75 here. We have a lot, pretty low volume print here. We do trade through it. So now I don't like this so much anymore as long, I mean, still it's above here. too much size, in my opinion. Too much volume at the low here. I not taking this long. There's, I mean, the bid is strong and absorbing it, but there's just, especially without me having a good feel. Good morning out for the market yet. I mean, now we do see it bottom tick here. Now you could maybe take this long. Do have the bottom tick here now. Bit stepping up here, offers kind of pulling. But nah, it's not rejecting this low. This ain't good of long enough for me. There's too much volume trading here in the lows. Like if there would be less volume here, I would be fine with longing this for a continuation move higher. But with so much volume here at the lows, I do think we fall back in. Still look short here. Now we do, yeah. That's why I didn't want to take it long here. There was just too much volume here. Oh, now we do see some more aggressive buyers coming in. This was kind of the point of control of this bell curve here, so it got defended a little bit. Some aggressive buying here. But the offer pretty much just took all the buying here. Some more big size buying here. But they are not blasting this up, so it's not really what you want to see when you want to long this here. I mean, obviously you want to see the big buyers, but you don't want to see the offer just take those. Not this liquidity is also chasing them here. So this still doesn't look good for long for me. Now let's see what happens with this big liquidity here. If someone just comes here and takes it, so let's see if the offer just taking it, or if this is just a spoofing order which will pull once the first contract gets traded there. Now it just pulled. So this might be a good long opportunity here, because they were just spoofing here. Usually when they're trying to spoof, they just want buyer to hit him. Now you could maybe thinking about longing here. Not yet something, but I would like to see a bottom tick or some absorption or strong buying, anything like. Now we do have here kind of bottom tick in the 27s. Big size selling here. Now I want to see sellers dry out here. Don't really want to see seller hit anymore. And we could maybe take it up to 30 again. Seller still hitting here. Now we start buying here. Trying to long this. Just for a short scalp here. Point of control just shifted here as well. Don't want to see this stall like this though. That's kind of good now. I want to see it break here. If it doesn't break, I'm out. It breaks, falls immediately back in. Just taking it off for one tick here. No, it goes. Maybe should have held it. It wasn't really like... probably should have held it here. Wasn't really telling me to get out here. Also point of, so VPOC shifted higher. So that kind of is another confirmation that we're going higher. So yeah, don't know, I mean... Kind of seems like I'm not fully warm yet. Price action also very slow today, especially after yesterday. So yesterday was kind of very volatile, obviously, and now we're like slower again today. So now we do see absorption at the highs as well. Lack of aggressive buying though. Would love to take this long for a break here, but what I don't like is that we have point of control above here, which can pull this trade in very easily. I'm still taking it for a break here. Still taking it for a break. If we like break point of control, I'm kind of out here. Obviously we did get rejected at point of control, so I'm still in it. Like this was why I didn't want to take it that high initially, because I did think like we might get another test to point of control, but now after the point of control test it needs to break. Can it though? Just pulling it here for a small loss. entry was bad. Like I should have waited a point of control pullback. Would have positioned me much better for this trade. Entry was bad at the highs. Very slow today. Oh, now sellers coming in here. Big sellers came in the 29s now. But the buyers just took those sellers, so just absorbed them. So also, like, again, no real. Yeah, that's why I don't want to take the breakout there, to be honest. Like, there is someone block dropping. Lot of orders at 30 here. There's a big seller sitting up there at around 30. I mean, the buying's strong, but it's mostly like small and retail buying, and the selling is like big size selling here. Like the big boys are just, if you look at my times and sales from, they are just selling this. Yeah, seller has been absorbed, but I mean, look at this. The thing is, even though the seller is being absorbed, like the big boys are just selling here. Like the big boys are not buying. This, I think they are just trapping a lot of retail traders here near the highs. Obviously, I can be wrong, but now we bottom ticked here, so I don't think we're going down here. See, that's what I mean. Like, if you see like this on it, I mean, I could have shorted, but I don't like shorting so much. If you know me, like, I'm 80% long or so. But this is like, if you see this on the, that's why time and sales is so important and having 3 different times and sales. Like, if you'd see the big boys, so 50 plus lots is for me big boys, and you have 200 lots here. Like, if you see them just selling, like, who is then buying? The retail is buying. ALOA. I mean, maybe now with this spike here, maybe they stopped out. Like, Now they maybe wanna. Still don't know. Still think like more short here, to be honest. Now this is interesting. So we bottom ticked here. No, that's the same price. Not lower. But now we're kind of running out of sellers here. Yeah, probably not. But I still keep on watching. Maybe there's something presenting itself. Like we kind of really don't have sellers here. Do see the offer getting a little bit stronger and some buying, but it's you see stronger buying here, not more stronger buying. So maybe they want to take it back to point of control here. It's also getting stronger here. Maybe they want to take it back to point of control. Let's see how we do at point of control. Okay, we are at point of control now. Buyer still strong here. Now the question is, do we see sellers come back in here? Like this is fair price to sell. Ah, we do see them come back in here. Trying to get short. Oh shit. Got a little bit late on my short entry here. But it's fine. I do expect this to break. I don't want to see trade above point of control again now. Kinda needs to pick up speed here or I'm out. I do like the volume that's coming in here. Now we do have still some. I'm out here. Entry wasn't the best, like I wanted to get in earlier. Exit was fine though, I think. We didn't see follow through at the low. Could have maybe gotten out even a tick earlier. But overall it was fine, I think. Do see this coming. I mean, we do see selling people. Hard to tell here. Don't want to short here because this can easily come back to point of control here at this point. I don't want to be risking so much ticks if I don't have. Maybe now short. Maybe no. Maybe. I have my glass in the hand and not on my hotkey here. Let's see here. The offer's pulling here, but nobody's hitting the 28s. Look at this. Nobody's really willing to hit the 28s here. Now they're hitting the 28s. Okay, no longer interested here. Yeah, you can still play for a couple ticks in either direction, even chop. So I don't have a problem with that. And it's even like sometimes it's being a little bit slower, like isn't the most awful thing. Especially after yesterday, like yesterday was so fast. Like yesterday I think I ate the most full emergency stops I did like in a while. Like I don't even remember, but I think I hit like 4 or 5 emergency stop outs yesterday. Because it was just so fast and my 10 ticks emergency stops just got hit on pukes. Good thing I didn't short here. Let's see now 30. If the sellers 30 is still here. Like earlier we had the strong sellers in the 30s. Let's see if they're still there. I mean, they are showing volume here, but who knows? They could just spoof this as well. And the buyers still aggressively buying and the sellers not really aggressively selling here. Might even take this for a break here. But then again, it's so choppy and point of control being so close, so don't really want to take it for a break, but I do think they want to take out the liquidity here above 30. But I'm just scared of these big sellers in the 29s. They can just block drop and maybe hit their full stop out, and it's hard to recover from that. We only obviously, especially today with the big sellers are still here, so. Could maybe play this for a breakdown. Like speed and volume is picking up here into the lows. The offer's also strong here. Not much aggressive buying. This looks like a breakdown to me. Kinda scared to enter. I'm not so confident on my short breakdowns than I'm on my long breakouts, but yeah, it's breaking it down. Oh, shit. Again, no real sell volume here. No. We just don't find, we're not finding sellers in the low, and in order to break this. We have big sellers in the highs, so around 30. So for now, for context, like we do have big sellers at the high. We don't have really big buyers anywhere, to be honest. Like big buyers are just nowhere to be seen for the day. But we also don't have any sellers near the low. So in my opinion, this is eventually gonna break down. Now the question is just when and where do we get in? Because this can just, I'm trying to get in close to 30 if we get a retest. But this, maybe at point of control here. Let's see here now. Maybe get in here. Now the offer's pulling here though, so I don't want to get in while the offer's pulling. Very low size, like moving the market here. We do find some sellers here, but they are getting absorbed. So now the bid is stepping up here. They're buying as well here. Kind of want to get short here. Now they're 1/0 here. Getting short here, trying to get a short fill. Someone trading to me, for God's sake. Yep, I'm filled. So I don't want to see the point of control break here. That's like my mental stop is above point of control. If my point of control breaks, I'm trying to get out as close to break even as possible. And I'm kind of playing this for a breakdown here. Now we do see big buyers come in here, what I don't really like. So I'm probably gonna get out here. Giving this like one more chance here to fall. We kind of broke point of control here. Need to get out here. Now we finally see big buyers here. So might wanna actually take this long here. I don't wanna just keep on playing though, like thing is like this could just range here and me playing like these sides is awful, but then again like zero here. Trying to get a long fill here for the break. This is not pulling back here. I'm actually willing to take this on 2 lots because this can just like blow out here. Shit, didn't get my 2 lot fill here. Don't want to see it stuck here. Want to see this blow out now. It's kind of getting stuck here. This trade is still good. I pulled this here because now with the pullback, if we do get higher, I think this rips. Like I wanted to get out because I saw it get stuck. But now that we did get the pullback, I do think if we go another time there, like it's like more likely to just rip. We do see and keep on seeing big buyers here. I do want to see it break though. If it doesn't break now, I'm probably pulling. Yes, I want to sell the rip. Can we break? Just selling the high here. That's why I really wanted to be in here with 2 lots, to be honest, because I do think we get the rip. And now we do get it. Kind of mad here, to be honest, even though it was a good trade. Still kind of mad here because, yeah. Basically for the reasons I mentioned already. Like, I want that's the type of trades you really want to be in with 2 lots. Because this can rip so high and so hard. But at this point, I just wanted to take profit here. Yeah, now it rips, obviously. Obviously, now we're ripping. I do think it's set up pretty clean. Also, was really kind of obvious to see, in my opinion. So, also, and I think I also kind of explained it well, like during the trade. Unfortunately, I didn't get the first entry, and I kind of chased it, but with I wanted the limit fill, but like you saw, like it didn't pull back. So this trade like looked like it doesn't want to pull back anymore. Like we finally saw big buyers. Like I already told earlier, like we were trading in this bell curve here, and we never had big buyers anywhere to be found. We only had big sellers in the 30s. Then we got to the 30s. The big sellers were no longer there. Yeah, basically the big sellers were just no longer there. And we finally had some big buyers. That's also why I got out of my short position. We did trade above point of control, and for the first time we had big buyers. Okay, that's why having a tape is so crucial in my opinion. For the first time, like we had big buyers here. So So if you kind of pull back the stream and then rewatch it, like it was the first time like we have had inside this bell curve big buyers. I was kind of hesitant on the entry because yeah, I took 2 losses or something like this with just one loss basically. Mm. I'm still chilling here, like not interested in like buying the highs here. Mm. I mean, hindsight is 2020, but kind of going long in the consolidation. I actually know, like, maybe the short wasn't the best, but with context, it was okay, I think. Because for the first time here, once we got to the low here, for the first time, like, we saw also some size hit onto the low, so I thought, okay, maybe this is gonna roll over. Um, that I got out here was beautiful, but probably like once I got out here, I should immediately re-enter long. So this is like one of the. Nah, actually, also not really. Like, why would I re-enter? I mean, obviously, like I think it's going higher. That's why I'm also exiting my short. But cut and reverse is so difficult because you're not really thinking rational. Mm. Maybe I should. Like it was the first time that we saw really inside this bell curve aggressive buying. So maybe like there could be a reason made to re-enter long on the point of control here. Around the point of control. Where did I get out? 28.75. Could be a point made here. Who knows? Like lots of volume building here. So tired. Like I got out up at so early today. Big sellers are still like pushing this hard. Are big buyers. Like now we do have finally big buyers. We obviously waste all day, but now we also have big buyers. So. some more big buying here at the highs. So it does look to me like we want to go higher. More big buying. Although they're struggling. It does look like we want to break higher here. I'm just like, it's just too much risk here for me to try to long this for a break. Because I would have just needed to risk a full emergency stop. Because this can just flush on me as well. This can just flush low here quick to make some inventory correction as well. And that's why I'm not longing, even though this looks like, to me, it looks like it wants to go higher. Like we do have a strong bid, we have strong buying. So it does look like it wants to break. But who knows? Like I don't really have. I'm at just my risk, to be honest. We do see the sellers. The sellers are absorbing here, and not too little, yeah. So they kind of be aware of this as well. So the 37 is getting absorbed here. Now they're no longer getting absorbed. Now this is breaking, in my opinion. But I'm just not so good in price discovery and modes anyways as well. So like I don't know where this is going. Like where I should be taking profits on this. Now we're breaking here. Yeah, it does break. But where are we going to? Like, that's the thing. Like, are you then taking profits after 4 ticks? And pretty much can't. But this doesn't make the trade worth it for me. But where are you? Where are you like taking profit? Where are you wrong? Where are you right? Like, honestly, like I hate. Even though I'm a long bias trader, like also I prefer trading longs. But then Sean look, now it flushes in. And what do you do? Trying to get out now? And maybe you don't even get a pullback. So that's just the thing for me with this day. Also in general, like I hate, even though I'm a trader who tied pretty much like 7 to 80% take longs. I hate it when we're just grinding higher and trending higher all day. Like I'm not performing good on those days. If we're just constantly grinding higher, I much rather prefer the day where we have a range, or like maybe even sometimes days where we like trending lower, because then at least I know where I can take my longs to. It's scalps anyways, and if we get a short, like we are just going higher at this point. Close to 40 already, man. It's just insane. Now we do see like the bid is so strong. Like we do have big sellers here, but the bid is just no, like maybe like thinking about shorting here actually. It's just so risky. Oh, big bias here. Boo. No, finally, finally, finally. Now there could be shorts, like, now this could be good. Now we do see inventory correction. Should have kind of trusted my instincts there. That's exactly why you don't want to long this, even though it's breaking higher, in my opinion. So on these days, maybe should have trusted my instincts there. Like, thanks, Oceanic. So 35 was crucial earlier. So there's probably some stop sitting at 34 here. Okay, alright. Cool to have you. So it's probably some stop sitting here in the 33s, in my opinion. So let's see if they wanna, like, if we get a rejection from there, like, pow, okay. Then we're still, in my opinion, good for a move higher. If we fall through here and we still see big sellers, then this up move might be actually over. Let's see. Yeah, sure, alright. So, watching very closely here. I do want to see this in anyhow, okay? Like, I do want to see them break this. Now we do see bigger buyers come back in here. Is this maybe all we got for the pullback? I don't think so. No, the bid is stepping up again. I just think they want to take out this liquidity below 34, but this could be all. It looks very bullish, like right now, like we see big buyers coming back in here. So I want to long this now again, but I would love to see it just bottom tick here, the 35.50s really. Just to take out like the stops here. I want a long, but I want a long after we break this. Because if I long now, my emergency stop will be around here, and my better trade idea like will be stopped out on the emergency stop, probably. So let's wait here. Be patient. Now more big buying here. Like this starts to look very bullish. 1/0 here. Come on, like big buying here, big buying. God damn it, I want to long this. But I want them to bottom tick. This would make this trade so much better if we like took out the 33s here. Really want to long, but I want them to take out the 33.50s here first. Come on. Come on. Come on, boys. Take him out. Oh, now the sellers come in here. The sellers are coming in. Now they're trying. Now they're trying. Please take out the 33s. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. They're trying. Still not good enough for me here. I want... Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, boys. Take out the 3350s. Yes, yes. Come on. The buyers are just... They just don't want them. They're strong here, but I think the market makers are stronger. Strong buying, strong buying. Come on. They're not giving up here, the 34s. Ah, Jesus. Thinking really... I want to long it so goddamn badly here. Like I'm sitting on my hands, like wanting to long this. But I want to see a bottom tick to 3350s first. Give me this bottom tick, please. This would make this from an B setup to a A plus 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 plus. So if we see this bottom tick 3350s, like, come on, come on, come on. But they're struggling so hard here. Does seem like they wanna give up. I do think it's the last attempt of the sellers to try this, or the buyers will just break it higher. But I'm still holding on, like I'm being patient today. Waiting for my A plus setup here. Oh, Jesus, the buying here. Both on the bid and like aggressive and passive buying. But I still think like no one can beat the market makers, so and they want to. Yeah, no, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on, come on, boys. Take it out here. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So now I'm longing this, hoping to get a fill here. Now I want to see this run. Like, this shouldn't really come back though. And now this should run. This should run. I'm even moving this here. Like, this really can go now. This is an A plus. Like, as good as it gets here. Can we keep on going? We're getting absorbed here. Strong buying. Strong bid here as well. Yeah, kinda not losing faith in my trade, to be honest here. Ah! Moving to break even on this. I don't want to see this, like, this can't just flush against me now. At this point, this just needs to run. We shouldn't see a deeper pullback right now than this. Now it should fly. It should fly through it or I'm out. This needs to fly through this low node. We're not flying. Last attempt here. want to cut it for such a small. This has so much potential. But I don't really think it's going. Sucks. Maybe should have taken it off here for a small win. Maybe when I said like when it not breaks now, I should get out. Like maybe should have like been happy with my. Probably should have been happy here with my couple ticks, with my 4 or 5 ticks here on this. But the thing is, it had so much potential, so I really wanted to give it the chance here. Like I really wanted to give it the chance to break it, because in my opinion, like if we got through this low note, like shit might blast again. Well, we didn't, so I don't know. Like maybe I should have pulled it. I really don't know at this point, but. Now we're kind of looking good again here. I don't trust this now anymore. Like, obviously it's maybe still a good trade here too long, but I think that this didn't break here changes like everything. Offer's kind of strong here as well. More big buying here. See a lot of selling, but this is mostly retail now. Selling pressure is there, but it's mostly like one lots and a couple mid-size. So being patient here. Playing this small range here, this micro range right now, like building lots of volume here. big people are mostly buying, but they're struggling to get it higher. And they're not really, if you look at it, they're not buying really above 35. So in order for this to break, you would need to see big buyers like buy above 35, in my opinion. Now big buyers start buying above 35 here. Entering long here. Trying to get a fill. Did get the fill here. Don't like this falling back in here. I do think shit. Oh no, good. Now we're picking up speed here. Thinking oh, what's happening now? What the fuck? Something now bugged with my DOM, like somehow I don't know what happened now. I seem like I double clicked it, or I don't know really, like. Good thing I got out though. Like, reason for me entering this trade is we did see like big buyers here all the time, but then we didn't see any big buyers ever hitting above 35, which we need for the breakout. Then we saw like somewhere here, like I don't remember, finally big buyers hitting above 35. So I entered because I think, okay, now they have strong bid. Like now finally big buyers are hitting above 35 also. Like I think this is gonna break. And then we fall back in hard, like, and that's why I exited pretty much. Now we did get the inventory correction below 33, which I was like hoping for earlier. I don't like the amount of big selling here. So I'm not taking this long here. Because they sold like into the 32s, like 33s. More big selling here into the 33s. They're getting stuck here, kinda, the sellers, but I don't want to go against this size here. big buyer here, but the offer still holding strong. Bid is also relentless here in the 33s. Really absorbing like shit ton here. Now we've built some volume here. The offer is strong here as well. Bid strong and offer strong. Now the volume is drying out from the sellers. So sellers no longer really aggressive. Buyers starting to come in. Let's see. Ah, shit. Taking another small loss here. I needed this to get above 34.75 really. Now I do see it bottom tick here, kinda, so complete auction here. So might wanna give this another shot here long. Let's see if we hold here. The offer's just strong here. Yeah, maybe. Now we're trading this micro bear curve here, this micro range. Just awful volatility right now. Thinking about longing. Once again, got in maybe a little bit too late here. Like when we have these small ranges, like I really should be getting in more early on them. I don't like this. Ah, shit. Ah, this was bad. This was bad. Should have pulled it immediately here. 30, 50. Should have cut it earlier. Like, fuck. Whatever. So let's see. Maybe I should have cut it a little bit earlier here. But don't know. Very slow. Just consolidating sideways here. Being too smart here today. Now this... Oh, this looks juicy. Continue to see strong buying here on the tape. Ah, the limited buyers are holding here nicely. Would love to see some... Now we do see buyers come in as well. Let's see how far we can take this. Ah, shit. I'm kind of frozen here. Now it did come to point of control. I do want to give this another shot here because we did hold point of control. But I don't really want to pull it off now. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna reduce my downside risk here because I don't want to see this break point of control again. Really, like, also I don't really want to see this struggle here. I'm pulling this trade. Yeah. Should have pulled it on things on market. The second I tried to pull it is, yeah, taking a short break here. Taking a short break. I'm holding my trades too long today. Like, should have gotten out here. The volatility is so low that I need to yeah. Good thing I got out though, but still, like, taking a short break for breather. Now we do finally see the buyers come in here. Yeah, maybe. Like, I'll try to see. I don't know. Also, like, I'll keep watching you if there's something good, but no, like, this is looking kind of good. This is really looking good now, but I don't know if I'm just like seeing things wrong, or if it's actually good. So I'll wait. We're still breaking lower here. Now this could have been kind of the liquidation that we might have needed here. Kind of want to take this back to point of control here. Trying to get a fill here. Want to take this back to point of control. I do think it should get there, like, not hesitant to lock in some profits here as well. In case we're not breaking the 27s now. Last attempt for me at 27s. We do break it, so I'm still staying in this trade. Kind of stalling here, 27.50. Maybe should have already taken it off a little bit earlier, but it's fine, I guess. When I saw it stall here, maybe like sort of gave away pretty much the ticks here. I was And let's slowly crawl our way back. Like, executing correctly is now important for me. I do have kind of a buying tail here as well. This could still go higher. I do think this gets back to point of control, just like I wanted it to. But yeah, obviously, like, I didn't take it. I couldn't hold it because I can never hold my trades, but yeah, 2 points, so like $100 away. Okay, that's fine. Does look now like, I mean, this could be a second leg just to 28.75. Like, it does make a lot of sense here to go to 28.75. I'm kind of failing here, but we're not really failing. Like, now we're at the point of control. If we see it break through it, or does it hold? Kinda need to see it get through here. Ah, it is going through it. Good. Do I have big volume sitting here? I just pulled all the volume pulled here. Still looks good to me, in my opinion. Try it, still getting out here. So nice. Oh, crawling our way back slowly but surely here. Maybe like I'm going to drill later after FMC. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Already $60 in commissions today. Jesus. Per account it is. The pullback here was above point of control. It looks like it still wants to go higher. Or they could also be trying to trap people here. Thing is with this trade, like it could pull back all the way to 27.50 here and then still be a valid long, so entering at the highs here is kind of dangerous, in my opinion. Ooh. Like this bottom tick here. The offer strong at 30. Like now, it's pulling back a little bit here. Big selling coming in, but they're not getting this down. Like, try and get a long few here. Fill here. I know I'm entering near the highs here, but seeing the way the bid absorbed the big bar, the big seller, and again, like the bid is now like ready to break this. The way they, exactly like the bid was kind of ready to just break this shit. My opinion. Now let's see. I'm gonna give this one more try here. Can I please guys my limit fill here? Jesus. Yes. Oh, it's probably ripping, but it's fine for me. Like that's like the right attitude I'm having right now. Like small wins. Like keep on grinding my way back here. Because that's actually my trading style. Keep on grinding those small wins and not like going for those bigger moves, which I did earlier. So anyways. Bid is like relentless now again. Hmm. We do continue to see pretty strong buying, a pretty strong bid. They are like driving this higher. Hello? Hello? Trading? Yeah. So, back in action. Back in action. Looks like we still want to grind higher here. Hmm. Sorry for the... probably not the best idea to... I don't know the English word for it, into the micro. Phone. So the 3250 here is kind of... if you look at the 4000 tick chart, it's like kind of the last low before we broke. It was the peak here, kind of as a low volume zone. So that's a crucial one here, 3250. Let's see if they want to break this. If they do, like, this has a good like higher in it. But at this point, I really don't know. Also, I kind of need to bring up. Let's see. Like, that's a big one here. I do think like there's some pullback to be expected. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the 3250 held. Now the question is like, was this just a small pullback and now we break it to the upside, or are we actually breaking down from this? Be right back, coffee boys. Boys and girls, be right back for coffee. So, don't need to save the coffee note. Don't need to save the coffee note. Seems like we didn't break it here. Seems like we want to break down now. Let's see, 30.50 was earlier. Just one tick lower with no follow through. That's bullish to me, but with my read today on the market, like, I'm waiting. So slow, hey? Jesus. Into the 29s. So right now I'm thinking this might come back to a point of control here, but who knows? Now we do see big buyers come back in here. Now we see them defend the 30s pretty heavily. Very aggressive here. Very aggressive sellers, but they can't get through 30 yet. Let's see now. Are they willing to hit 30 also? Like, okay, they are. 29s here. Watching closely here. There's liquidity sitting at 29.25. Backticking is aggressive here. Ah, shit. A little bit late here. A little bit late to join the party now. Kinda wanna move this one tick higher here. You can see my P&L on the right side. Door. Rejecting here. Trying to get out here, out for one tick. Nobody's really willing to hit the 30s. I need buyers to hit the 30s. But this just doesn't make sense. Too long. I don't know. Like, how can you know? Like, don't know for FOMC. We'll just see, I guess. Like, obviously, like a lot of volatility coming in, but which direction? I have no clue. Now we're kind of breaking down here. We did bottom tick this. It doesn't look like a real breakdown to me because we don't have any big sellers here. Let's see. Hi, Skolpinski. Awful session today so far. Just getting chopped up left and right. And ate like two full blown stop outs, emergency stop. Now we do see like no, that's what I like here. Like, please give me a fill. Thank you. Okay, shit, I don't like this that we're rejecting here. Point of control again. No. Might get out here if we can't reclaim it soon. Point of control just shifted lower as well. This is yeah, I took a shit ton of trades today, like really a lot. Now he's fucking sick. Also not the best execution either though, like both were kind of like haven't traded much pre-Fed day to be honest, like, but yeah. Let's see, we'll have a bottom tick here into the 27s. But I was in the hole deep already today, so I was already in the hole like by $250 or so, so all good. Now we do see bigger buyer, and this is kind of bottom ticked here as well. Not the best place to go long here at point of control, but I don't think we're gonna get a further pullback if this goes. And if it doesn't, like, I need to get out anyways. So buyers, it's time to show up now. Show me something. Yeah, that's not what I meant. A strong offers moving down with the market here. Strong offer was should have marketed out probably. Ain't doing well today. Now we have a small V here and kind of bottom tick. Let's try it. Now we do see volume coming also. So I really start liking this a lot. Now the question is, can we break point of control here or not really? I'm okay with getting a fill on a second one here. Gonna be looking to take one off at point of control. Because we kind of should hit that. Oh, we got rejected one tick below. Still liking this trade. Just needed to get out with one lot because I can't be risking two lots. The way we got rejected out of point of control here. There's just so little movement, so little volume. Now we do see more buying here, but it's getting absorbed so far. Now we do see a kind of bottom tick here. Now I don't really want to see this break. What was this 27s? If we break 27s now, like trading into it. Pretty aggressive here. Aggressive for this volatility, obviously, but now that's now like that might be a good one here. Like it's the first time we really like saw some aggression here. That was kind of bottom tick here, so now I'm kind of like liking this trade more, but it's so hard. Might add here. Still aggressive buying. Starting to look really good now for the long side. Let's see if we can break point of control as well. Point of control again shifted lower. So that's not good for me. So if you're like a bull, like you don't want to see point of control shift lower. It's usually a bad sign, but anyhow. Yeah, Skalpinski, I'm not really taking 10 ticks here, like it's just my OCO order. But I'm like my whole like game is a little bit off here, so because it's just not moving. Oh no. Big selling coming in here. Got absorbed to higher, so don't really know what to think about this. Yeah, no, market is weird today. Thing is also value is constantly shifting lower, so like value point of control is like keeps on shifting lower and lower and lower, so don't like this for the long side. Even though this looks like we're, and obviously we're consolidating here, but I mean these ranges are just awful. No, though, no. Maybe like this does look good now, but once again, like, yeah, maybe need to take it. Like this is like the best this look today. This is gonna be another loser. Like I'm taking a break or probably stopping till after FOMC or something. Now we're kind of holding here. That looks good. Like that looks really good. That looks really solid here. Strong bid, adding a contract here. Really hoping I get my fill here. I do get my fill here. Still liking this, even on 2 lots. Still okay here. If it doesn't break it now, though, I'm taking off 1 lot. But I really like this. Like I really do. Like this does look like we very healthy to me, at least. If I move higher. So I'm not like, right now not looking to take anything off here. Still looks good to me. Like right now, let's look how we do interact with 30 here, because obviously that's like a big one. Do like this, do still like this. No, not so much. Not so much. Taking one off here, break even. Still okay being in it with one lot here, but wasn't okay with two. Let's see now if we can break it here. Does seem like it. It's just so slow. It's almost like trading bonds here at this point. Oh. No, not really. I'm stopping for the day. This is just bad. Like, it's this. I don't have an edge here. Like, this is not my edge. This is just bad. I'm gonna, like, I don't know, like market replay sim trails or stuff. Like, this is. Yeah, this. I don't have edge here. Like, I'm gonna stop now. Thanks for tuning in, though. Just sim trading now a bit. Let's go to sim here. I wanna like try it. Okay, anyhow, guys, see you guys, maybe after FOMC, like, or maybe at the FOMC, let's see, like, maybe, I'll be back on, okay, but for now, like, I'm stopping now. There's no point. I don't have edge here. I'm just, like, losing money on commissions. Okay, anyhow, ciao, peace.